Why my contacts are deleting automatically on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a common issue many iPhone users face, why your contacts might be deleting automatically. Let's get into it. First off, open up your contacts app. You can go from your phone's app, and then here you can find various sources of contacts like iCloud, Gmail, and your SIM card. It's crucial to manage these sources effectively to avoid losing important contacts. So to manage your iCloud contacts, head over to your settings, then open up your Apple account, and then go to iCloud. See all, and then scroll down and you'll find the contacts option. Make sure to pay attention to it. If you choose to keep it synced, that means if it is toggled on, remember that deleting a contact on one device could remove it from all other synced devices. So, if you don't want contact to be deleted from all the devices, you can just tap on it and then toggle it off. And then, if your contacts are disappearing, it might be because they are deleted from the original source or you remove the account from syncing. So, always check where your contacts are coming from and manage those settings accordingly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.